Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of autophagy. Autophagy is a natural process your body uses to clean house, getting rid of old, damaged cells. It's like a cellular recycling system. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity for its health benefits. Stick around as we explore the benefits of fasting and how it can help you live a healthier life. Fasting acts as a trigger for autophagy. When you fast, your body senses a decrease in nutrient availability, signaling your cells to conserve energy and resources. Autophagy kicks in, removing damaged proteins and organelles that can accumulate within cells and cause problems. By clearing out this debris, autophagy helps to rejuvenate your cells, promote cellular repair, and improve overall cellular function. By incorporating fasting into your routine, you're essentially giving your body a chance to clean up, repair, and regenerate itself at a cellular level. Let's talk about metabolic health. Insulin resistance is when cells become less responsive to insulin, the hormone regulating blood sugar. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity. Fasting drops insulin levels, allowing cells to become more responsive. Improved insulin sensitivity can prevent type 2 diabetes and reduce heart disease risk. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal and fight off infections. However, chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Fasting has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects by reducing the production of inflammatory molecules and activating autophagy to remove damaged cells and debris. By reducing inflammation, fasting can help to protect against a wide range of chronic diseases and promote overall health and well-being. Your brain needs a constant supply of energy to function properly. Fasting enhances cognitive function and protects against neurodegenerative diseases. It increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, promoting neuron growth and survival. Fasting also enhances autophagy, removing toxic proteins and damaged cells. Now let's talk about weight loss, a topic that's on many people's minds. Fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss, but it's not just about calorie restriction. When you fast, your body undergoes several metabolic changes that promote fat burning, such as breaking down stored fat for energy and increasing your metabolic rate. It's important to note that fasting alone may not be sufficient for long-term weight loss. Combining fasting with a healthy diet and regular exercise is crucial for sustainable results. Who wouldn't want to live a longer, healthier life? Research suggests fasting may increase longevity. It promotes cellular health and reduces age-related diseases. Autophagy removes damaged cells, reducing aging. Fasting reduces oxidative stress, protecting cells. Your immune system is your body's defense system, protecting you from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and toxins. Fasting has been shown to have remarkable effects on the immune system, boosting its ability to fight off infections and disease. During fasting, your body undergoes a process called immune cell recycling, breaking down old and damaged immune cells to make way for new, healthy ones. Fasting has also been shown to increase the production of stem cells, which helps to replenish and strengthen your immune system. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, and it's often linked to factors like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and inflammation. Fasting has emerged as a potential strategy for improving heart health by addressing these risk factors. Studies have shown that fasting can lower blood pressure and improve your cholesterol profile by lowering LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol. This improvement in your cholesterol levels can further reduce your risk of heart disease. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Now, it's time to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What benefits have you experienced? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys.